Think about selling your home this year. Don't waste time and money on projects that won't pay you back. High-end remodels or half-finished upgrades, they often cost more than they actually return. Buyers want clean, complete, move-in-ready properties, not a work in progress. They don't want one part that's remodeled and another part that's outdated. So focus on first impressions, fresh paint, new fixtures, curb appeal, upgrades, like a garage door or even a stone veneer to go along the way. Without a full renovation, maybe only what you need, but you don't know. In order to find out for sure, you need to have the right contractor and the right agent to guide you. So all we have to do now is simply have a strategy call so we could talk about what makes sense for your home. We can talk about what the right budget is based on the return that you're looking for, what the home's going to sell for, and what makes sense. My name is Sohail Salahuddin. I help sellers like you get top dollar in today's market, whether it's a down market, whether it's an up market. From someone who's smart, hardworking, and ambitious that gets the job done, call me, email me. Let's set up a simple free strategy session so you can find out what to do right and not what to do wrong.